How to share a video without sound on an Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to steer a video without sound on an Android. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have a video without sound. If you do not have, here's how you can remove the sound. For that, let's move on to the Google Photos and choose that particular video. If this is the video that you want to remove the sound of, go to the edit button and here you simply need to swipe and look for the option of sound, or simply go to the video option and tap on the mute button, and here you need to tap on save copy and you can easily delete the video with sound. Once done, you need to navigate to the share button at bottom left corner of your screen. Here you can easily create the link of this video, or simply you can choose any one of this messaging platform like Viber, WhatsApp, Messages, Gmail and many more, tapping on the more button and send as a message to your friends or family. So that is how we share a video without sound on an Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.